Hello everyone. So let's move further and start with the merits of partnership. As in the previous video I told you about the definition of partnership, and there are certain features of partnership also. So what is partnership? I'm just giving you a snapshot of that. Partnership means an agreement between two or more persons who join together to carry on the business activities, to share the profits and losses in the business. So this is called partnership. So first merit or first advantage of partnership form of business organization is ease of formation and closure. It is very easy to form partnership type of business organization, because I told you in the previous video that to form a partnership organization, it is not compulsory to register yourself under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. And definitely if you are not registering yourself, then there is no much legal formalities to set up such type of business organization. So I should say partnership is very simple form, or it is a very easy way to form partnership type of business organization. As well as if you want to close, if you want to dilute the partnership, then you can dilute at any time as per the will of the partners. Second is balanced decision making. Balanced decision making means the partnership organization always have only a single decision, and this decision comes after the consent of all the partners of the organization. So whatever the decision will be there in the partnership type of organization, it will be a balanced decision, because all the partners collectively give their decision. Third one is more funds. As there are number of partners in the partnership firm, so they have more funds, they have more capital with them, because every partner will come with their individual capital. So definitely we can say that they have more funds with them. Fourth one is sharing of risk. As I told you that these partners agreed that they will carry the business activity and share the profits and losses in the future. So whatever the risk will be there in the organization, they will share the risk. Next one is secrecy. Secrecy means as these partners, very few partners are there, so whatever the information will be there regarding the business firm, regarding the partnership firm, they just keep all the information secret. Because why they are running this type of business organization? Because they just want something from their organization, right? Or why we are operating partnership type of business? Because when we operate a partnership type of business, then we have this factor in our mind that this is our business. So I don't think that no partner will like to dilute their business, no partner will like to make the business in losses. So whatever the things will be there, whatever the information will be there in such type of business organization, it remains secret with the partners only. They are not going to leak out any information, any confidential information to their competitors, right? Next are some limitations of partnership. Limitations means the demerits of partnership, right? What are the disadvantages of partnership? First one is unlimited liability. As I told you when I start this topic, that these partners have unlimited liability. Whenever they take the loan from any financial institution, and if they have to repay back the amount, if they have to repay back the loan, then they all are liable equally. And if the business assets are not enough to pay off the debts, then their personal assets, their personal property can be sold out to meet out the claim of the creditors, right? So this is known as unlimited liability. Means these all partners have unlimited liability. Whenever they take loan from any financial institution or from any of the bank or from any of the money lender, then they are equally liable to pay off the debts. And if they don't have the business assets sufficient to pay off the debts, then all the partners, means that creditors, can claim over their personal property. Next one is limited resources. I told you in the merits that they have more funds. If we compare partnership with sole proprietorship business, then we can say that they have more funds. But if we compare that partnership with company, with cooperative societies, then we can say that they have limited amount of funds, and with that limited amount of funds they can have the limited resources. If you have a limited amount of money with you, then you can purchase the limited resources. So that in case of partnership also, they have limited resources because they don't have huge funds with them, they don't have large funds with them in comparison to the companies. Third one is possibility of conflicts. As it is a partnership type of organization, so there can be the chances of conflicts, there can be the chances of disputes among the partners, as the partners have different mentality, they have different opinions, they have different backgrounds, I should say. So if the people of different background, different mentality come together and carry on any business activity, then definitely the chances of conflicts can be there. So the possibility of conflicts can be there in partnership type of business organization. Next is lack of continuity. In this, we can say that there is a lack of continuity in such type of business also, because for example, if any of the partner is dead or become retired, then we can say that that partnership deed or that partnership agreement comes to an end. I should say कि if there can be any death, retirement or insolvency of any partner of the organization, then it will result in the discontinuity of the organization, right? So we have to discontinue the organization if any of the partner don't want to continue, if any of the partner become retired, or if he is dead, right? Next one is lack of public confidence. In partnership type of business organization, the public confidence is very low. Means the image in the public, in the eyes of public, is not so good. For example, if I compare the partnership with companies, then the people have more confidence on companies rather than partnership type of organization. The reason is that the company publish all their financial statement in the books of in any source of media. For example, in newspaper we find number of times we find balance sheets and the financial statement of different organization, different companies, but partnership never publish their financial statement in any source of media, in any magazine or in any newspaper. So public don't have confidence on such type of business organization, and that's why, and that is the reason that public don't want to invest their money in partnership fund, partnership organization. The most of the public want to invest their funds in companies in the form of shares, right? So these are the merits and demerits. Again, I am telling you that ease of formation and closure is there. We can easily form the partnership type of organization as no legal formalities, not so much legal formalities are required to form. Second one is balanced decision making. The decision is very balanced in such type of organization because the decision, the opinion will become the decision only after the consent of all the partners. Next one is more funds, as all the partners come with their individual funds, so they have more funds in comparison to sole proprietorship business. Next is sharing of risk. All the partners share the risk, whatever they will have in the future, they will have in the business. They are always ready to share the risk. Next is secrecy. The information remains secret in such type of partnership type of organization, I should say, because all the partners think that this organization is directly related to them. So whatever the information will be there, it remains secret with them. Now, limitations of partnership: unlimited liability. They have unlimited liability, as if they have taken any loan from any financial institution, then all of them have the equal responsibility to pay off the debts. Otherwise, the creditors can claim over the personal property of the partners. Limited resources. They have limited resources because they have limited amount of capital with them. If we compare it with the company, then the partnership is a small business, small scale business. possibility of conflicts as the number of partners are there, and they have different opinions, they have different ideas, they have different mentality, I should say. So there can be the chances of disputes among them. Lack of continuity: if the death, the retirement, or insolvency of any partner took place, then we can say that it will result in the discontinuity of the partnership organization. And the last one is lack of public confidence. There is lack of public confidence in such type of partnership organization, because public don't want to invest their money in partnership type of organization, as they are the partnership organization don't publish their financial statement in any of the media, in any of the written media, I should say. So this is the snapshot of partnership, merits and limitations.